Hello, hello, hello. It's your girl Gigi Jones here, and today I am back with another wig review. And this wig, ooh, y'all, she is cute. All right, stay tuned. But before we move on, make sure you hit that red subscribe button. Make sure you turn on the notifications as well. And don't forget to like, comment, and share this video. All right, let's get to the review. So the wig that I am going to review today is a lace front premium synthetic wig. It is spring twist. I saw a lady in the market a few months back and I was like, oh my God, I love your hair. I used to wear spring twist way back, a few years back. I'm not going to say way back, but a few years back. And I am ready to wear them again, but I didn't want to sit and do my hair. I know, just kind of being like lazy, but not really, because I just have a whole lot of other stuff that I could be doing with my time. And sitting and plaiting my hair, like, no, those days are pretty much over for me. So if it comes in a wig form, I'll try it. And so it did, or rather it does. It does come in a wig form. All right, so here it is. Okay, and this is a Bobbi Boss. All right, and the color, which, I pretty much don't stray. Well, I have strayed, but I pretty much like my my auburn brownish colors. So this is a TTB 27 Spring Twist 20 MLF 518, which will be somewhere either here or there. Okay, so guys, let's just get into it. So pretty. I love it. All right. I'm going to show you the construction of the wig on the inside, but it's going to be fast forwarded. So get ready. See, I haven't cut the lace yet, so I'm going to go ahead and cut the lace, and I will probably cut like the baby hair, maybe. I'm not used to working with that because I'm not a makeup wearer like that. Like, I don't wear the foundations. You know how some people, when they wear their lace fronts, they cover it with the makeup and then put that hair over it. That's not me. So I don't know. Let me see. I'm going to cut the lace front, and we'll go from there. But I like it. So far, so good. I might cut it and shape it up a little bit. I might leave it long. I don't know. Let's see. All right, I'll be back. Cut some of the lace off, but you still can kind of see it, right? Yeah, but okay. I will just have to, I guess, either cut some more back or just use makeup on it, right? I guess so. This will not be one of them quick put on wigs, so I'm gonna have to like glue it down on the sides. So I like, let me turn around so you can see, right? Okay. It is like braided underneath. I don't know if you can tell, but it's braided, like going across, so that you don't like have the holes, you don't see the holes or whatever in it. But I'm liking it. It's growing on me. I just got to figure out the edges part, right? But other than that, I'm liking it. Let's see if you can see how long it is. All right. Like it. I like it. I like it. I like it, like it, like it. I like it. All right. Thank you all for watching. You all have a wonderfully blessed day. I'll see you next time. Bye-bye. This video has been brought to you by GiGi's Jewelry Boutique, where fun, fabulous fashion is affordable.